Hi, and welcome to the third episode of Neighborhood Cops. I'm Officer Snyder, another neighborhood cop, and this is my canine partner, Lucky. She is one of the best canines we have around here because she's one of the only canines around here, but that doesn't mean she's bad. She is top of the line quality. She's fat, she's ugly, all the bad guys hate her. I'm just playing. You're a beautiful girl. You're beautiful. She likes the encouragement. She's our biggest drug dog around here. She can find a drug from a mile away. If she sees a drug, if there's a drug dude walking out, she smells it and there she goes running. Well, anyways, back to the storyline. We just got a call, me and my partner Lucky just got a call that there was somebody up around the corner digging through trash cans. More likely she's looking for drugs, food. She's probably homeless because this neighborhood's full of homeless people. It's full of drugs. There's drugs everywhere. There's drugs in the ground. There's drugs in the house everywhere. So here's what me and my dog Lucky are going to do. We're going to go handle the problem. We're going to go handle the problem, arrest her, send her back to quarantine, sober her up. That's our job. Come on. Get your ass up, you dog. Excuse me. That's how we encourage you guys. Come on.
She's digging through the trash. Get out of the trash! No! Stealing someone's trash! Sorry, woman, we have a problem!
Look, slow down! She's pulling me! Look, she's pulling me!
No, we can't stop and see everyone we see!
Come on!
Go!
Pull me, girl, go! Come on, you fat dog!
Come on!
Good girl, pull me! There she is! It looks like she's resisting. Come on. You can do it, Lucky.
You know you can go to jail for stealing trash cans. No, hold them. Hold her.